As the leaves change color and the weather gets cooler, it's important to focus on staying healthy. First, make sure to maintain a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables. It's also crucial to stay hydrated and drink enough water throughout the day. Don't forget to boost your immune system by getting enough vitamins and minerals. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to keep your body strong and energized. Take advantage of the beautiful fall weather by going for walks or hikes in nature. Ensure you get enough sleep each night, as it is essential for overall health and well-being. Consider adding immunity-boosting foods to your diet, like garlic, ginger, turmeric, and probiotics. If it's cool outside, make sure to dress in layers to avoid getting too cold or overheating. Avoid excess sugar and processed foods, as they can weaken your immune system. Stay connected with loved ones and maintain a strong support network, even if it's through virtual means. Take advantage of fall produce, like squashes, apples, and Brussels sprouts, to prepare nutritious meals. Take breaks from electronic devices and spend time doing activities you enjoy, such as reading or crafting. If you start feeling under the weather, make sure to rest and take care of yourself. Consider incorporating herbal teas into your daily routine, as they can have various health benefits. Stay on top of your seasonal allergies by keeping windows closed and using air purifiers if necessary. As the temperatures drop, make sure to keep your living space warm and cozy for a good night's sleep. Take time to appreciate the beauty of fall by spending time outdoors and enjoying the colorful scenery. Practice self-care by indulging in activities that make you feel relaxed and rejuvenated, such as taking baths or practicing yoga. Keep your home clean and tidy to minimize the presence of allergens and germs. If you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, reach out to a trusted friend or seek professional help. Keep up with your exercise routine by trying indoor workouts or joining a gym, if it's safe to do so. Ensure good ventilation in your home to maintain good indoor air quality. Boost your immune system by consuming foods rich in vitamin C, like citrus fruits and bell peppers. Take time to unwind and de-stress through activities like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Consider adding supplements like vitamin D or omega-3 fatty acids to your daily routine, with the guidance of a healthcare professional. Support your mental health by prioritizing activities that bring you joy and practicing gratitude. Get outside and engage in activities that make you move, such as bike riding or playing sports. If you're working from home, create a designated workspace that is separate from your living area. Don't forget to clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces in your home, such as doorknobs and light switches. Take advantage of the fall harvest by trying new nutritious recipes featuring seasonal ingredients. Listen to your body and rest when needed, whether it's taking a nap or having a quiet moment to yourself. Stay up to date on current health guidelines and recommendations to protect yourself and others. Remember to be kind to yourself and prioritize self-compassion during these challenging times.